Why keeping your word matters in business and in life. Your reputation is everything. One of the fastest ways to build a strong reputation is simple. Keep your word. When you tell someone you're going to do something and you follow through, you build trust. And trust is the foundation of every successful relationship, whether it's with clients, partners, or your team. But when people break their word, even in small ways, it slowly erodes credibility. People start to question whether they can rely on you. And in business, reliability is one of the most valuable traits you can have. Think about the entrepreneurs and leaders you respect the most. Most of them built their reputation on one thing. They do what they say they're going to do. Keeping your word doesn't just affect how others see you, it also shapes how you see yourself. Every time you follow through on a commitment, you reinforce discipline, confidence, and accountability. You prove to yourself that your standards matter. But here's something important to remember. Keeping your word doesn't mean saying yes to everything. In fact, strong leaders are careful about the promises they make. They understand that every commitment carries responsibility. Sometimes the most professional thing you can say is, "Let me make sure I can deliver on that before I commit." Because once your word is given, it should mean something. People should know that if you say you'll call back, you will. If you say you'll deliver something by a certain time, it gets done. And if you promise to show up, you show up. Over time, this consistency becomes part of your personal brand. People begin to associate your name with reliability and integrity, and that reputation opens doors. Opportunities come to people who can be trusted. Partnerships are built with people who follow through, and successful businesses are built by leaders who honor their commitments. At the end of the day, keeping your word isn't complicated. It comes down to a simple principle. Say what you mean and do what you say. Because in a world where many people overpromise and underdeliver, the person who consistently keeps their word stands out. And that simple habit can make a powerful difference in your career, your business, and the legacy you leave behind. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.